Hi ladies, my name is Maritzaslan and I'm here to present you my brand new wig collection in collaboration with Rpgshow wig, Classic Babe by Maritzaslan. This is my first look and I absolutely love this wig. This is the kind of wig that you should be expecting from my collection. Short, sassy, classy, bouncy and loads of layers. As you can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful, loads of layers, not too long, not too short. This is actually an 18-inch that was nicely layered by our Rpgshow wig stylist, and I quickly just gave it a little bit of a bounce with this curler from Hot Tools. I'll put the link in one of my slides. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this collection. This is an amazing collaboration. I really wanted to create something that is for the modern young women that are tired of the long, heavy wigs. And I want to switch over to a classier, shorter look, but we still want to keep the sexiness into these wigs by adding loads of layers and bounce. So this is the kind of style that you should be expecting from my collection. This is the first one. As you can see, I literally just took it out from the box. Look how amazing the melt is. Just glued it down a little bit with some Wonder Bond, and the bounce of this hair, the flow of this hair is just undescribable. I am super proud, super happy to collaborate with Rpgshow wig. You will not be disappointed, ladies. Do not miss out on my big launch on the 17th of Jan. I cannot wait for you guys to wear my wigs.